We're back, TikTok from vacation. So we did a video on when I was leaving to go on vacation. Now we're gonna see how the garden is now that I'm back from vacation. As you can see, the fig tree has taken off. Bunch of new figs, the blackberry, so many. The little blooms are gonna be coming up soon. The grapevine is coming in. A bunch of tomatoes in there. Look at the corn. Nasturtium on the end. Onions, I never got to plant these out. These onions here. And the plum is a little stressed, so we're gonna fix that. This peach tree also, but lots of peaches. The cherry tree also stressed, so we're gonna deal with that. No cherry again this year, but it's okay. And this has some type of fungus that I have to resolve. But it has some peaches. These tomatoes, I definitely gotta get a pot today. In my blueberries. Okay. Oh, they need some water. So this one did not come back, which is my lemon blueberry. Pink lemonade blueberry. It's so hot in here. Oh, look at all my lettuces. They need water. Bok choy, spinach, arugula. Yeah, everything needs a good watering. Kale. Yeah, because it is so hot in here. I think it's almost time to take this greenhouse cover off. And of course, we're going to have some dahlias, lots of carrots, and beans, whatever it is. I'll let it grow and see whatever it becomes of it. So that's that. My little lemon, tomatoes. Asparagus has ferned out. Wow. The beans, tomatoes. Cucumber, a little stress, but they're hanging in with water. We got potato. Yeah, I don't see any other potatoes sprouting up. It's supposed to be more potatoes. Yeah. Chamomile. Strawberries.
Look at bubble.
Wow, look at the blackberry.
Mama, see a bubble.
Bubbles. So many balloons. The strawberries too.
Mommy, you want a bubble? Mommy, I want to pop a bubble. Mom.
Yes, baby.
Daddy.
Strawberries.
Daddy.
And the blackberries. Okay, the lemon tree. Still. Come, baby. Yeah, still trying to catch itself. But the Barbados cherry tree is coming back. So that's good. That's good. This raspberry here. Looking good. Tomatoes. Looking good so far. Apple tree. So we got. Okay. No, baby, don't do that.
No, Papa.
This one is also loaded. This is the first year, so I'm happy to taste this one. Look at the raspberries. They have exploded.
I spilled the bubble.
So like I said, the garden has really exploded,
Huh?
being gone for the week.
Mom.